Hello everyone, if you keep getting this error failed to start matchmaking in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, you're going to click onto your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you'll have Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you'll have a WLAN here. So just click on it and then click change settings of this connection. And here you're going to click onto Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses. Here you're going to write 1.1.1.1 and then 1.0.0.1 and just press OK on it. Click OK again and disable your internet connection for 20 to 30 seconds. And after that, enable it and wait for it to connect. And once it's done connecting, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here allow an app. You're going to click change settings on here. Click allow another app. Click browse. Now go to your Black Ops 7's directory. I don't have Black Ops 7 installed, so I'm going to use Battlefield 6 as an example. Click BF6 here. Click open then. Click add here. Here you're going to find Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And then you're going to make sure both of these checkboxes are ticked on. And once you tick on both of these checkboxes, you're going to press OK. Now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you'll see that you will not get that fail to start matchmaking error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.